Don't pee on the floor, use the Commodore.
Hey hoes and bros, I'm Mick freaking back. So yeah, my break wasn't intentional, shut up, okay? It just happened. So Trevon, stop asking me to make more videos, okay? Because I'm doing it right now, okay? Chill, thank you. Okay. First things first. I apply glue to my eyebrows, and I do this first by brushing hairs against the way my eyebrow hair grows, and then I swivel around in circles, and then I brush the hairs upwards. Slay.
You just got slayed. Slayed.
And then yeah, I move on to this little eyeliner thing. Listen, if possible, maybe don't use a black color, because then when you blend it out, it gets a bit smudgy. There's like, I've seen people use a brown one. I used to have one that I ran out, and it was just like, I don't really feel like getting another one. So, there's also like a white eyeliner option if that works out better for you. I don't know. I feel like black out of those three colors should be like your last option. Anyways, I'm sketching out her little dress thing. Guys, what do you call it? Armor? Shut up! I don't want to talk about it. And then she's got like no, she's got like wrist guards, and then she's got a little tiara. Bruh, I literally don't know what happened. Like I recorded this whole thing, and I was maybe 5 minutes in, and I don't know what happened, but like the audio just went. Oh yeah, I'll just let you listen to it. Orange and pink don't blend in with more pink. I really don't know what happened then. So anyways, I'm gonna fill you in, Mr. Whirlwind. So guys, I'm using my cream blend stick that's close to my skin tone. Honestly not sure why I didn't use foundation. I guess it's because like it's thicker, which means it's more noticeable, which I guess helps with the comic book style. I don't know. And guys, you know those ugly eyebrows? Because I messed it up and I was like, oh, I'll fix it, and then I did later. And then I whipped out my eyeshadows, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I just chose to use orange. I guess I was just like, oh my god, you know, I never used this before, let me use it now. I don't know though. And then, I guess it was just like, you know what, I also don't use this pink shade, so let me just put that on my eyelid. And then I guess I also figured I don't use this pink shade either, so let me just throw that on there as well. Then I'm taking this light brown shade, and it looks like I just put it all over my eyeshadow. So like, I mean, I don't know why I didn't just do that in the first place. I don't know. And then I'm taking this sparkly pink color, which, looks kind of pretty. Okay, yeah, no, maybe, I don't know, maybe I lied. I think, I don't know. I don't want to sound like a narcissist if I say it looks cool. And then I'm taking this black cream blend stick, and I'm doing the eyeliner, and putting, a lot under my eye too, to make it appear bigger, because, like, the comic book style. Anyways, whatever. Then I'm curling my eyelashes, and applying mascara, and I don't know why I just didn't do this last, but, you know, whatever. Then I get rid of those crusty-ass eyebrows, and I add black eyeshadow to where I would then be. And now, listen, I'm not the best at doing eyebrows, so I was like edit them on, but like that's not important right now. What's important is that I'm taking black cream blend stick and I'm making hair-like stuff to make it look like hair. So yeah. And then if you're doing this and it looks bad, then don't worry, babes, because I'm right here with you. We can be like editing eyebrow besties. Then I'm taking that like orangish brownish shade that I put on my eyeshadow after I did the weird orange and pink thing, and I'm starting to mark out the cheekbones. And guys, like, once again, comic art thing, so everything's gotta be like super dramatic. I'm out of breath. Everything's gonna be super dramatic because it's just the style, dude. And then I'm going back in with not back in with the nose. Hey guys, back in with the nose. Shut up, I can't find the nose. I'm making it skinny. That was like the least enthusiastic skinny I've ever done. And then I'm fixing the jaw, you know, making it you know, I don't know what you'd call it. I don't have much of a chin, so I try and make myself look like I have a chin as much as possible, while also giving myself a somewhat flattering jaw shape. And you know, I don't really know how to describe that besides that. So then I'm just considering other areas, just making these dark, especially around like that crown thing that I don't know what it's called. And yeah, going in with a skin tone light color cream blend stick, and I'm starting to highlight things just because I darkened a lot. Also, I want to make one area of the face like lighter than the other, because actually, you know, that could have been what the reference picture showed, but I just think that it's definitely easier to do that, and then when you edit it and do lighting, it's just like, oh, it's so great, and then you don't have to worry so much. I don't know what that meant, but it meant something. And then I'm taking a darker brown eyeshadow. I'm deepening my contours. Yeah. Just contour things. Then I'm going in with the black cream blend stick, and I'm doing some like comic book outlines to things. There was like a lot on my reference photo, I do remember, and I was just like, that's ugly, so I'm not gonna do that. And then in other areas, it looks naked, so I added more. So honestly, just add it to the basic areas, and then do whatever you want for the rest of it. I took some white cream blend paint, and I'm starting to do more highlights. These are like the absolute highlight of highlights, okay? Listen. Yeah, I said listen, but that's all I had to say. I'm going in with red cream paints, and I'm starting to outline the lips. I try to make it bigger than my own lip, just because that's what comic characters tend to have, and that's really all I know how to describe it. Then we're going in with a darker red, like going around the outlines of it just to make it look good, you know? And then take like a darker orangish red, just so once again I can do that, just furthering the shadowness, I don't know. And then I'm taking a white cream blend stick, I'm adding highlights to it, and then we're going in with a black cream blend stick, and then I'm freaking outlining it. And then I go in with a brown cream paint, a red cream paint. And I'm starting to make the crown thing. Yeah, I put it in there, as one does. And then I add yellow paint, and I guess I'm starting to do the highlights. Once again, this thing is... I think this is where I got the idea to make one area lighter than the darker. Wait, what? One area lighter and then one much darker, just because it made the crown easier or whatever. I don't really know. Then I'm taking the black cream blend stick and I'm making a star. And no, that's not a star. What the hell? I'm making a triangle? What? Does she not have a star on her head? I'm so confused. Guys, once again, I don't know much about Wonder Woman. And I'm starting to add like lines and more lines and still good. Oh my god, it is a star. Okay, sure, sorry. And then I take the white cream blend stick. I'm starting to add highlights to it. Once again, I feel like I have to keep saying this, but like someone's gonna be watching this and they're gonna be like, I want to turn myself into Woman Wonder, and I just, you know, why does it not look the same? Oh, girl, it's because you freaking put the same highlights and the same shadows on the same side, and it's gonna look crusty. That's why you have to put it on different sides. What, did that make sense? I don't know. I'm adding red cream paint to like the star because it's red. And then I'm taking it dark brown, just like I kind of did with the lips, and I darkened things, but you can't really see it because, like, it's so shiny, and then, like, with the light, it's just, you can't really see much, okay, sorry. And then I'm taking white cream paint, and I'm highlighting it. Then I'm going with black, and I'm shading it, doing the comic book outline thing. Do I have to explain anymore? So, like, before you see this next part, and you're like, whoa, I feel like a lot happened here, and I deserve an explanation, and the thing is, you do. You do, I think. Yeah, so what happened is that I did a lot of contouring with like the body, the chest area, and the thing is, it's just so repetitive of what I did on the face, where it's just pointless to have 5 more minutes of a video just for you to be like, oh yeah, I can do that here too. Essentially, just do what you did before, except make yourself look super buff, because she kind of is that, and then make it look like a body and not a face. You're welcome, slay. And I'm going in with red cream paint, yellow cream paint, and brown cream paint, and I'm making like this burnt orange color, slay. And I'm adding this to like whatever, like I'm assuming it's a gold area, guys. Listen, I really don't know. I'm adding it to the areas where it is that color, because I usually do things where I make everything all one solid color. But then I was like, listen, I've never done a comic book makeup before this, so I took inspiration off of, I think, the best body painter that I know of, you know, and that is K-Pike Fashion. They're just so amazing. The way they do it, it's just the understanding that they have. Like, they're so descriptive in the words, where it's like, and I know I'm not descriptive by any means. I'm just sitting here doing this. Listen, I love editing videos. I'm not all for makeup videos. I don't even watch makeup videos that much, because I'm just like, wow, that wasn't entertaining. Sorry, that was really negative, but it's true, vibes, it's true. We're really boring. And just K-Pike, they just, even if it's a makeup video, body painting video, I'm so enthralled by it, because one, I mean, their talent's absolutely amazing, like, but just their understanding of the color theory thing is just, it's crazy. I'm just like, is that even true? Or they can make something up, and I would believe them, because they're so descriptive with their words, and it's just, oh, it's so great. And they don't do everything a solid color. They do like, if this is black, I'm gonna make this part pink, this part purple, this part blue. And I'm just like, oh my god, that's like so, you're so right. That's absolutely what you're supposed to do. Oh my god, my laundry's done. And then I'll just be like, bruh, what? So, anyways, shut up. They were a big inspiration for this because I had no idea what I was doing. Slay. And then I'm just going with the yellow, and I'm filling that in where it's supposed to go because once again, they just inspired me. They really did. Then I'm taking an orange eyeshadow shade, and I'm just like darkening things a bit. As you can tell, this color is darker than the paint color I actually made. You probably could go and like do this with actual paint. I'm just so much more comfortable with eyeshadows just because like for years instead of doing body paint, I would just straight up put eyeshadow on myself. And you're probably like, you're an idiot. And the answer is like, yeah, I am. But it worked for the time being, and just I'm way more comfortable with eyeshadows is what I'm trying to get at. And then I'm using white cream blend paint. And I'm adding highlights to the gold piece or whatever. Slay. And then I'm going in with a black, and I'm just, adding the comic book outlines. And the thing is, like, I think the black makes it look so ugly. But the problem is, that's what you need for accuracy. So, you know what? Sorry, babes. It's true. You have to add the black. Going with red cream paint, yellow cream paint. And I'm adding it to the place that's supposed to be the breast, but once again, that whole like area thing, things weren't working out, babes. And then, I put it on the areas that are more redmost, and then I'm taking a yellow eyeshadow, and it's very hard to see, but I'm putting onto some areas of the paint and blending it outwards a bit, but it makes it look oranger. I guess it like cools it down a bit because it was just. Maybe it warms it. Guys, I don't know colors. And then, I'm taking, black cream paint, and I'm adding it to the areas. How do you want me to explain it? I don't know. And just, once again, go, as my white ancestors would say, go ham on it, babes. Like, it's just, honestly, I think the black looks better on the red. Maybe I just really messed up on the yellow part. That's my review. Slay. And then I'm adding yellow cream paint, and I'm putting it into the empty areas. It comes off as like an orange. It comes off somewhat yellow. It's just, guys, listen. I don't know how to explain it. Oh, I do know how to explain it. So, like, these highlights were like circles. I don't know why. Personally, I don't look at breasts that often to be like, oh, this is where they're highlighted. So I don't know if that was like an artistic choice or like that's just realistic, but that's what I did, babes. And then I'm taking white paint, and I'm once again furthering that circle highlight thing. And yeah, and then I'm doing these weird like shoulder things. No, that's not a shoulder, that's an arm. And I'm making it blue, and then after I make it blue, I put some white on, and then I blend it in because shut up. I'm taking some blue eyeshadow and blending that in furthermore. Also, this looks ugly. I don't know if I had to explain it. Anyways, and I'm just darkening it. Once again, it's ugly, so I don't care the way it looks like. Actually, it's not that bad looking. I'm just being over dramatic. And then I'm taking white, and I'm highlighting it, and then boom, you're done. Shut up. Whoa. Anyways, that was it for the video. If you haven't liked it, leave a like. And I love hearing feedback, so if you want to comment something, that'd be really appreciated, and subscribe if you want to. You don't have to, but I am trying to feed the kids in my basement, so I would advise it. Also, Trayvon, stop asking me to make new videos because shut up, I just did it. Live, laugh, love, slay.